Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to cover the following: greetings and introductions. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please ensure that you do so. In this way, you're going to receive a notification every time I'm going to publish a video. Are you ready? Cominciamo! Ciao! This is how Italian people greet each other. It's informal and you can use it throughout the day. If you want to be a little bit more polite, then you can use salve. So once again, ciao or salve. Good morning, buongiorno. Buongiorno. Good afternoon, buon pomeriggio. Buon pomeriggio. Good evening, buonasera. Buonasera. When you leave a place, you can either say ciao, which is again informal, or if you want to be a little bit more polite, then you can say arrivederci. Arrivederci. Buona giornata. Buona giornata. Now, please do notice that is different than buongiorno. So earlier I mentioned that good morning is buongiorno, while buona giornata is have a nice day. Have a nice evening is buona serata. Buona serata. And again, is different than buonasera, which is good evening. If you are going to see the other person the next day, then you can say a domani. If you are going to meet soon, then you can say a presto. So a domani, a presto. If you are going to put everything together, so let's suppose that you want to say goodbye, have a nice evening, see you tomorrow, then you are going to say ciao, buona serata, a domani. Ciao, buona serata, a domani. Good night, buonanotte. And usually we say good night, sweet dreams. So buonanotte, sogni d'oro. Once again, buonanotte, sogni d'oro. Right, so very well done so far. We are going to move on to the introductions. So let's suppose there is a conversation between two people. Come ti chiami? So what's your name? Come ti chiami? Mi chiamo Giorgiana. Mi chiamo Giorgiana. Tu come ti chiami? Tu come ti chiami? Mi chiamo Marco, for example. You can also say il mio nome è Marco. Piacere di conoscerti. Piacere di conoscerti. Piacere mio. Okay, very well done. That was quite a lot, so make sure that you go back if you need to repeat them once again. And I will see you in the next video. Ciao ciao, a presto!